Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, January 19th. Futures back in negative territory once again this morning, coming off the sell-off that kicked off about mid-morning yesterday. If you missed it, we had some economic data that came in negative. The market actually responded negative to negative economic data. Here's how futures are setting up so far this morning. 0.87 downside for the S&P 500, 0.78 for the Dow, full percent already for the NASDAQ. Tech back under pressure. More negativity at the bottom end of the board here as well. Brazil, crude, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all. Downside to start. More economic data, in fact, to come this morning. We'll get weekly jobless claims, housing starts, and the Philly Fed Reserve Manufacturing Survey coming up at 10 o'clock this morning. So we could be in for a little bit of follow through, or at least it would appear so at this point. That's the way the overall market is shaping up. Big, ugly red candle on the daily chart for the SPY as recession fears creep back into the conversation once again, coming off that data yesterday that showed things slowing a little bit faster than maybe some were expecting. That's Apple. Yeah, a lot of charts we were noticing this morning here with reversal candles on the daily time frame right now. JP Morgan cutting their price target based on and ahead of Q1 results for Apple. We'll have a look at big tech right across the board. There was obviously a lot of headlines yesterday in that group with job cuts, Amazon, Microsoft, to name a few. Back downside this morning. Roblox back downside this morning. Morgan Stanley cutting their not only their price target, but a downgrade entirely to underweight from equal weight on RBLX. Under pressure this morning. Big ugly candle here for Procter & Gamble coming off earnings. They raised their forecast, but numbers came in only in line with expectations. We were talking about how earnings might be a cautionary tale for the overall market going into this earnings season. Tesla back on watch as well. Yet another analyst move to the downside. Here's Piper Sandler cutting their price target to 300 from 340. Another cautionary note suggesting deliveries might miss in this quarter as well for Tesla. Earnings coming up next week, by the way, for Tesla. Coinbase back on watch along with the rest of the crypto markets. Both BTC and Ethereum back downside this morning. We'll also have a look at this one. XRTX, a micro-cap Canadian biotech, making a big move this morning on positive news. Grab the watch list, guys. Free for you every single day. Use that QR code, enter your email address, and then come join us at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.